All right, back with another video, and as you can see, we got about 5 inches of snow. Yeah, and of course it's my job to clean all the cars off. I sound very echoey because I have my hood on, so I gotta move this turd, my daughter's Volvo, Tonka, Honda 250. This is going to be great. And guess what I forgot to do? Anybody know what that is? That is my snowblower. Get a little tuggy tug. I never started it to make sure that it was going to work. I never put gas in it. Never tested it to see if it was going to even start or be a problem. There's no gas in this since last year. You see, still got leaves on her. I don't know how that thing keeps a charge, but okay. You see, she only got 5 hours on her. It's got more. That's just the last time I put that on. Like last year. So, we're going to have a great time trying to start this. Look at that. Bone dry. What's that? It's a trap. They're plowing. So I'm going to put some gas in this and see how easy this thing starts up. Now, mind you, it's 25 degrees out and I haven't started it yet this year. I haven't even put gas in it. So, yeah. Grab that gas can. My lovely assistant's getting my gas can. She doesn't want to be on, she doesn't want to be YouTube famous or not famous. But, here, you want to hold this while I dump gas in it? Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can get some gas in this pig. Only the best, 93. 93 octane, non-ethanol. We're not going to fill it up all the way, because we don't need to. All right, let's get this cap back on. Check the oil. Lick it. Tastes pretty good. That was changed last year, by the way. That tastes like crap. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Full choke. Full throttle. How many bets do you think we're going to start? How many pulls? I say 2. 1. 2. Up. Get them all moved out of here so I can snowball the driveway real quick. And, yeah, see what we do. Alright, we got the cars out of the way. I'm going to do a little bit of snowballing now. So, I can't throw it too far because I got my camper there, but it's really wet cake battery, so it's heavy. So yeah, that was a true little cold start. First start of the season, first big snowfall of the season test. And I mean, the stuff's like cake batter. This is the plow line. I mean, I had it in second gear going nice and slow, and it still wasn't even enough snow to feed it. It wasn't even throwing it out straight. It was just scattering it everywhere. But it still was throwing it. I mean, that tree branch is 16 feet high, and it was still throwing it, you know, 40, 50 feet, even though it was breaking up and scattering. I mean, it wasn't even filling the impeller up. You guys can see it wasn't even filling it up, and it wasn't getting clogged or nothing. So I'm gonna finish the driveway, guys. I'll see you in the next one. It was just a little video I wanted to put out there for my birthday. I'll see you guys later.